Hi everyone. For the last few years, there have been a revolution in telecom department. Jio has been phenomenal with their mobile networks. They also introduced the Jio Fiber, and since the launch of Jio Fiber, the most talked thing is the Jio setup box. There are so many questions in our mind regarding this Jio setup box. How will it work? Whether it will use the data? What will be the charges? Whether we be able to replace our existing setup box? There are lots and lots of questions to be answered. And here we are with all the answers. Hi guys, this is Mayank and you are watching TechSiapa. So without delaying further, let's start the video. Guys, this video is going to be long. First we'll take a quick look at the installation process, how the Jio guys do the installation part of Jio Fiber and Jio setup box as well, and then we'll take a quick look at the Jio setup box interface. These are the two boxes which you get when you order for your connection. One is for the Jio Fiber connection and the other one is for the setup box connection. Talking about the box has Jio branding all over it, and it also gives the idea about what's inside this box. The price mentioned on the setup box is 6400, which is not the case. You have to only pay 2500 for the connection, out of which 1500 you will get as refund when you withdraw the connection. Let's begin with the installation part of Jio Fiber and the Jio setup box. It was done by the Jio officials. The first thing they do is bring the optical fiber inside your apartment, and using this device they check what is the quality of the signal you are getting inside your apartment. Meanwhile the installation is going on, let me brief you about the plans Jio offer under its Jio Fiber. So Jio has come up with 6 plans that are bronze, silver, gold, diamond, platinum and titanium. Bronze being the base plan starts with $699 per month, and titanium being the highest, offered at $8499. In all the plans that Jio offers, there are 5 things which are common in all of them: voice, TV video call, gaming, home networking and device security. VR experience, premium content and annual subscription of OTT applications are the 3 things which differentiate the premium plans Jio has to offer. Bronze and silver are the base plans, one starting at $699 and the other at $849 per month. With bronze you get 100GB plus 50GB extra, and with silver you get 200GB plus 200GB extra puff limit. Jio also offers gold plan, which is basically a middle class plan, and I would like to advise you guys, if you're going for Jio Fiber, go for this plan. This plan offers 250 Mbps speed, and the data that puff limit it offers is 500 plus 250GB extra. And it also includes the annual subscription of OTT applications and all the other benefits. The only thing lacking is VR experience and the premium content. The premium content is the first day first show, which is yet to be arrive on the Jio platform. So right now gold is the best and go-to plan. So this was a very brief idea about all the plans that Jio offers for their Jio Fiber customers. And now you can see that installation part is almost done for the fiber connection. The optical fiber has been plugged in inside the router. One more interesting and very important part to note, that it is not just like other broadband services. You don't have to show them any ID proof, address proof to get the connection. It is a prepaid service from Jio, and hence you don't need to show any address proof. We're done with the installation part, and now we'll look at the interface of the Jio setup box. Once the setup box is connected and it's switched on, you need to first connect the remote that is provided with the setup box. It is an automatic process, you just have to press any key and it will get connected. After this, you have to connect the setup box with a network, either it be on Wi-Fi or through Ethernet. Right now I am connected with my Ethernet, so I don't need to configure my Wi-Fi. Once the setup box is on, you will start receiving many updates, which include remote update and the software update. So this is how Jio interface looks like. We first need to install some application from the Jio store, which is inbuilt. There are a lot of apps like Hotstar, Sony Live, but major apps like Netflix and Amazon Prime are missing. I hope Jio will include them soon. So this device is running on the gold plan with Jio offers, under which you receive almost every subscription of the possible app in the Jio store like Sony Live, Hotstar, ZEE5. But one very important point to note is that you don't get the premium subscription of Hotstar, you get the VIP subscription. So please do keep that in mind. It's nowhere mentioned on the Jio website or Jio pamphlet which you receive from their outlets. So finally we are done with the installation and setup part of this Jio DTH service. Now let's explore the Jio interface. What are the options available? And there is a very interesting application, Jio TV Plus. We'll also look at that. Under this device preference tab, we get a lot of options to tweak around with. You can have the control over HDMI C, G, you can change the resolution of the video. There is a color space control option also given there, and the most fascinating part of this setting is the sound control. They have given a lot of options, and that's a very good thing from Jio. There is a network setting option just adjacent to the setting icon on the home display. Just like any other device, you will get to know all the name of the Wi-Fi networks that are available around and the one which you are connected to. And in case you are connected through an Ethernet cable, you will get to know that as well. So basically under this setting, you will get to know all the details about the network connectivity of your device. Now this is the most important part, the Jio Live TV. So as you can see, there is no signal and this box is not working like the normal cable setup box. So right now Jio setup box is not the alternative to our DTH setup box. But there's a catch. There is a provision for that. The backside of the modem offers many LAN ports and 2 USB ports and one for the AC adapter. And this LED on the front gives the indication that everything is fine and there is no issue with the network connectivity. On the back side of the modem, as you noticed earlier while installation, the optical fiber cable is connected. And now talking about the catch, talking about the setup box. So the first port from the right is the very important and interesting port. This port will allow you to connect the cable wire directly to the setup box, and then you can watch all the live channels through that Jio Live app. There is no confirmation about the charge from Jio side, but provision is there. Sooner or later this service will be at our doorstep. And one thing I must say, that the Jio fiber is impressive. It's fast and it's relatively cheaper. The only issue is it's not available everywhere. So if you are lucky and it's available in your place, go for the gold plan. So this was all about the much anticipated Jio setup box. If you like the video, do like, share, subscribe and comment. See you in next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, peace out.